Hello all, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the new recruitment which is released by the Midhani, and these are the without gate recruitment. They are mostly conducted with the written examination and mentioned at the basic salary of 40,000. So all this discussion we will going to discuss in this video, and if you need any further information, do join our Telegram channel, or related to that you can also mention in a comment box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, Midhani is the one of the PSU which is come under the government of India, and these are mostly very few recruitment is coming from this organization. Most of the time they will conduct only for the apprenticeship, but now this year they have conducted this examination for the almost 6 to 7 branches related to engineering and other branches as well. So going ahead with the fresher, they have also mentioned with the some experienced candidate, but in this video I'll going with the freshers only. So the management trainee for the mechanical, they have mentioned that the total number of posts was 15, and unreserved that for the 7 EWS for 1, OBC was 4, and SC was 1, and ST was 2, and maximum age limit was 30. And if you going ahead with the salary, this is the 40,000 basic salary with the 3% increment, as you are aware of. The CTC will be consist of DA, HRA, perks and allowance as per the applicable of the candidate with like fresher as well as experienced candidate. And they have mentioned few of the disability condition which is mentioned over here. If you belong to that particular category, you can definitely go and check over there. And what was the minimum criteria? You need to have a minimum 60% marks in BE BTech related to 2 domain, mechanical as well as production only. If you belonging other than this, then you are not eligible to fill that particular form. Going ahead with the experienced candidate, like those who have experienced more than 7 years, they have mentioned few specific criteria related to that. If you belonging to that, please read properly, otherwise you can maybe difficulty at the end of the process. Going ahead with the general condition, that you need to have at least Indian with the nationality, along with that age, qualification, experience should be mentioned as per the date which they have mentioned in advertisement. And upper age criteria will be related to the maximum was 15th of January 2022, because they have mentioned the maximum date issue within the time limit. Last date for application of these are 15 January 2022, and the cutoff date of all the documents related to this they have also mentioned within the same date. Going ahead with that, there are a few conditions they have mentioned over there for the experienced candidate, but for the fresher there is no such process, because for the fresher they have conduct the written examination along with the interview, and for the experienced candidate they will directly go through the interview process. That's why they have mentioned the minimum CTC before joining this organization you have for the assistant manager as well as manager positions. For the freshers candidate, you need to have at least minimum qualification criteria like minimum 60% marks and minimum age criteria which they have mentioned over there. After once you fulfill for that, you need to go for the written test as well as interview, and these are the elimination round which they have mentioned over here as well. Final will be selected both written test along with the interview. Going ahead with the language of examination, they will mention that they clearly it's only English medium. Other language will be provided, because some of the examination they will provide with the Hindi along with the English language, but in this examination you will go only for the English language. Going ahead with the most of the important things like what was the portion of examination and other things. So they have clearly mentioned that for the selection as well written test as well as interview, you need to visit on official website, and definitely in some time they will release the syllabus and other things which is required for the management training. So this is the official update which I have received from the Midhani, and if any of the update is come related to the syllabus, related to the exam date, admit card, we will definitely notify on this channel. So you need to basically subscribe this channel, as well as make sure that you need to visit on a daily basis, so that you will get all the update related to examination, related to job, or any other information whichever you want to share with me. So I definitely provide it as soon as possible. So that's all for this video. If you need any specific requirement, do mention in the comment. I know if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.